Assalamualaikum, my name is KHAIRUNNISA binti Muhammad RUSLI, number matric 1192736. The meaning of technology is the design of a facility or infrastructure that is backed by advance in science and one ability to create. In this context, these two elements need each other to produce an invention. Today, machines are equipped with various sensors to read the state of the machine of the operation carried out by a machine. When machines are able to communicate with other machines, they are able to share information and make decisions using the data received. This is called a cyber-physical system, which is a system between information in the cyber that is the collection of important data and the physical of the machine. The existence of artificial intelligence allows the data obtained to be used to make important decisions without the need for human intervention and make today's machine smarter. As a result of a smarter system, especially smart city technology 4.0 will be more efficient and waste can be reduced. The meaning of smart city is a city that is innovative and highly skilled as well as advanced in economic, educational and infrastructure aspect. This smart city has a green technology concept. The value of technology is determined by how is it used rather than how much of is it available. Many characteristics including an infrastructure based around technology, environmental initiative, effective and highly functional public transportation and other than that. The concept of smart city began as far back as the 1960 and 1970 when the US Community Analysis Bureau began using database, aerial photography and cluster analysis to collect data, direct resources and issue report in order to direct service, mitigate against disaster and reduce poverty. This led to the creation of the first generation of smart cities. We choose smart city because we look at the aspect of environment, technology, economy and citizen and government engagement. That is data-driven decision making that is more effective. Smart city is a city that is safer and then can cause lower environmental impact, enhance digital equity and other than that.
Assalamualaikum, my name is RAFIKA binti KAMARUZAMAN, my matric number 1192732. Smart city development has a big impact on another technologies. For example, smart city covered anything from power distribution, transport systems, street lights, and even rubbish collection. The idea is use data and technology to make everyday life easier and better for the people who live and work in the city, while maximizing the use of resources. The smart city technology have impact on people, process, and business. And one of the impact of smart city on people is facilitate community affairs. The installation of integrated real-time system sensors enhance the rapid collection and analysis of data from people. Data collected from the community is sent directly to a government server where feedback is generated and sent to the community server. As a result, any problems faced by the community are immediately responded by the government. Through the process of innovation and e-participation, communication between the community and government is enhanced. In addition, ICT enhances human intelligence, collective intelligence, and artificial intelligence in the city. The smart city also has a negative impact on the process. For example, connectivity problems. The thousands or millions of IoT devices scattered across the city would be defunct without a solid connection, and the smart city itself would be dead. Furthermore, public transit, traffic management, public safety, water and waste management, electricity and natural gas supply can be unreliable, especially as the system ages and grows. However, the importance of these operations will only increase as the city expands and demand on its infrastructure increase. Smart cities also have impact on business, which has made the city more competitive. In each previous industrial revolution, center of urban activity helped to organize talent and resources in search of economic development, technological breakthrough, and social progress. Cities are still the beating heart of world commerce and innovation. The technology also offers excellent social and physical infrastructure. In addition to thriving economic climate, business owners also want to know that the city they call home is making smart decisions about physical and social infrastructure. City planners in smart cities use all of the data at their disposal to make sustainable decisions about new construction, urban sprawl, and balancing green and open areas against the needs of the business community.
My name is FARISA AKMAL binti ZULKIFLI, matrix number 11922733. In my parts, I will briefly elucidate the issues regarding the smart city. So basically, a successful smart city strategy will hinge on the ability for cities to innovate more advanced. Therefore, smart city must go beyond the use of digital technologies for a better resource use and less emission. For example, smarter urban transport that would upgrade the water supply or electricity, or maybe more responsive city administration. And all of the above should meet the needs of aging population. But along with the multiple benefits that I mentioned, smart city can also present several issues, several drawbacks that must be addressed, such as limited privacy, social control, access to network trust, difficulty in the pre-commerce stage, and lastly, the pre-training that is required. So let's say if the people of the city don't know about the technology, then they will not be able to use it. Without the training, they will find it irrelevant into their daily life. So the solution here is that we open and build the training center about the AI, about the robot, about the technology, so that they can learn more and handle how to use it. As population keeps growing and increasing, so comes the need to manage the city in more advanced way. And to know what was technology that lacks in Malaysia, we can find it out through the data system. And let's say we want to create something like electrical vehicles, EV, for the future. There are smart devices logically located throughout the city to monitor the conditions like smart traffic. It gives a report on the road conditions and also the congestion. And also, these devices should be self-aware and connect with its citizens, maybe using the application or software. Next, the data is gathered and analyzed to gain insights into the operation of city to understand what happens now and next if we are going to create the EV. So the results from the data analysis are communicated to decision maker if it fits with the condition in need of electrical vehicles. And lastly, an action is taken by designing the electrical vehicles to improve the operation in the city road and also enhance the quality of the citizens' life. So to conclude everything, creating smart connected system for urban areas provides a great many benefits for citizens around the world. Not only improve the quality of life, but also to ensure the sustainability and the best possible use of resources. And these solutions are dependent on a unified approach from government as well as the private sector and residents themselves. With the correct support and infrastructure, however, smart cities can use advances such as the Internet of Things to enhance the life of residents. So the smart city agenda entails improving the citizens' quality of life, structuring and also diversifying the economy while prioritizing the environmental sustainability.